Bayelsa Invasion 2022. God 7, Papa Joshua Ngila, Storm Bayelsa, the city of Yenagoa, with the power and supernatural move of God. Team from grass to grace.
Whatever they took from me, today you are under arrest. I collect back.
In this crusade in the city of Yenagoa Bayelsa state, there will be healing, miracle, signs and wonders. The barren shall carry their babies. There will be rain of prophecy. Date on the 17th to 18th of March 2022. Time 4 p.m. prompt. Venue 214 Melfort Okilo by Mbaima Yenagoa Road, Bayelsa State, in between Sobas Filling Station and Ekeki Motor Park, Bayelsa.